Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and today is a very special occasion because we are hours away from the 11/11 sale. So every year in this part of the world, 11th November we'll have big sale everywhere on the internet shopping platforms, so Lazada, Shopee, Taobao, everything, you know, they're gonna have big sale tonight, and we're hours away. So tonight we're gonna just stay up really late to grab those really good deals online. So this is a very special purchase because I actually bought this one just before 11/11 because I found this going for a really good price from our local G-Shock and Seiko dealer, Kianming. Alright, so Kianming is a very established great dealer for G-Shocks and Seikos and whatever. So he's also known as KM in the local G-Shock fans. So, okay, let's come back to the unboxing. Alright, I know I've spoken too much. So today I've also got a new unboxing knife here. So one of my viewers, Andrew, he suggested that I buy a new and a good unboxing knife. So, you know, being the cheapo I am, I bought something really affordable off AliExpress. So this one is going to retire my good old pair of scissors from IKEA. Alright, so thank you very much, IKEA scissors. You have served me very well for the past how many years. So enter the new chapter in the Watch Kaki channel. So I have got this new knife here. I hope it works. Alright, I hope I don't cut myself. So let me just get down to work here. Okay, so I think this is a really weird way of packing the watches. So I think I've cut out the side flap here. Let's see if I can get the watch out through the side flap here. Hope it can be done this way. Alright, so okay. Alright, nice. I managed to, you know, slide out the watch box here. So as you can see, this is another G-Shock. So these days I'm very broke, so I've been buying G-Shocks because they're more affordable. Alright, so this one here I found it on a very good price, going for a very good price. So I decided to take the plunge, and we got this model here, GMA-S2100. So as you know, it is also affectionately known as the Mini Casioak. Okay, so let's just, you know, quickly open up this tin can here to unveil the Mini Casioak. Alright, let's see. Are you ready? Here you go, ta-da! Okay, so gotta remove one more layer of plastic wrapper. So let's see. Alright, here it is. Ta-da! Again. Alright, so this is the Mini Casioak, reference number GMA-S2100-1ADR. So this is a, you know, pretty new model, and it is the mini version of the Casio. So that's the that one will be the GM-2100, I think, or GA-2100. So this one here is even smaller. Let's do a really quick wrist shot here. As you can see, it fits my puny wrist really well, my hamster wrist. So with all the packaging out of the way, and with the lens zoom in just a little bit, I'm going to show you the Mini Casio on a little bit of close up here. So really liking this stealthy look, and on the dial itself you've got these little bits of rose gold accents at the markers and at the handset, and also on the dial print here. So WR20 bar, 200 meters water resistance, and you know, overall I think I'm very happy with this purchase because I think it's like killing two birds with one stone. Alright, you can share the watch with your wife and everybody will be so happy. Case back is pretty standard. Okay, I apologize for the fingerprints here. The case back has the carbon core guard or whatever. I think this is a new case construction from G-Shock for the newer models, and alright, I think this is the first time I've purchased something like that. So overall I think pretty good buy. This should be a plastic keeper. Okay, no complaints about that. They usually won't break unless you really abuse it. Okay, so again, let's do a really quick wrist shot, and I'm going to show you how mini the Mini Casioak is. Alright, so I think it's about 42 millimeters, and thickness should be about 12, I think. Alright, so a thickness of 12 millimeters for G-Shock is unheard of, alright, in today's watch world. Okay, so in the world of watches of G-Shocks, 12 millimeters or 11.8 I think is unheard of, and I think it looks really good. So if you're a guy, very macho guy, and you know you're afraid that this will be too small and too girlish, I think have no fear. I think overall it looks really good. Alright, even though if you have big wrists and you're, you know, Arnold, really big wrists and all that, Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, I think you still look pretty good if you want a new look on your wrist, okay, a different type of G-Shock. Alright, so stay tuned for the full review of the Mini Casioak. Alright, so this is the watch, Kaki, and I'm going to get ready for the 11/11 sale tonight. And I'm telling you this, from midnight to 2 a.m. the prices are even better, so you know it's okay to lose a bit of sleep and get a better deal tonight. Alright, have fun at the sale. Bye bye.